Hey guys, Brittany here for Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document using the Tiny Scanner app on your phone. So I'm going to start by opening the app, and then I'm going to select the camera button. And now I'm going to photograph whatever it is I'm trying to turn into a PDF. I want to make sure I get a good clear photograph. Now I want to crop the image so that I get all of the information I want and nothing else. I'm going to choose the size that I want the final document to be, and then I can adjust how light or dark I want the document to be. Now I'm just going to title it, and there we go. Now if I want to add a second page, I can just open the document I just created and start the process over again. I want to make sure I get a good clean image. I want to crop it, and I want to make sure that I choose the same size that I chose for the first image I took. Adjust how light or dark it is. And there you can see at the top it says 2 of 2, and I can scroll through and see my complete PDF document. If you liked this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share.